students for grade 5. I am Mr. Amro Mustapha, and this is my contact information. Let's start with a revision lesson to remember our previous or last information about grade 4 and grade 3 and everything. Okay, let's start with choose question. Choose question. He said one, choose the correct answer. A, in the number 325.4100, which digit is in the hundredths place or hundredth place? So when we remember the decimals number, we know about the decimal point. Right of the decimal point is tenths and hundredth and thousandths and so on. And left of the decimal is ones, tens, hundredth, and the remain or the rest. Okay, the question said in the number 325.4100, which digit is in the hundredths place? We can read this number 325.41, okay, or 0.41. The digit which is on the hundredth place is 1, because we said this is the decimal and beside it tenths and the next is hundred. So 4 is tenths and 1 is hundred. So the correct answer is 4. B, 2 times open bracket 7 times 4 equal 2 and what times 4? So there is equal, and equal have side in the right and side in the left. Okay? Okay. Every number in the left, I found it 2 here and 2 here, 2 in the left of equal and 2 on the right of equal. Here's 4 and here 4. What's remaining isn't presence here or isn't here, 7. So 2 is here and 4 is here, but 7 isn't here, so the answer is 7. Division problem number C, 255 divided by 5. We can divide it as a long division or as it is. Let's start with long division. 255 divided by 5. I divided 2 by 5, but it's impossible. We have to find a large number or number greater than 5. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Okay, and 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Or we can do that, 25 divided by 5 equal 5. And 5 divided by 5 equal 1. So the answer is 51. The next problem is 4.6 or 4.6 tenths equal what tenths. It's like divide 4.6 by 1/10. It's tenths, okay? Or I have 2 times 4.6 by 10. So the answer is 46. Because when we have decimal just like that, and we times it by 10, the decimal point in multiplication movement or move to the right or for the right, okay? Yeah, we write the number and put the pen in the place of decimal, and we have to move in one step here and the decimal be here, so it's not considered. Okay, so the product is 46. We have to remember multiply the decimal by 10 or 100 or 1000. When we multiply decimal number by 10 or 100 or 1000, we have to move the decimal to the right if we multiply. If we have 10, the decimal move one step. 2 zeros, the decimal move 2 steps. 3 zeros, the decimal move 3 steps to the right. This is on multiplication. But on division, the decimal move to the left. To the left, okay? According to the zeros. If 1 zeros, we 1 0, we move 1 step, 2 0, 2 zeros, 2 steps, 3 zeros, 3 steps. Okay. The next one. So here the right answer is 46. Round 387,932 to the nearest hundred. 100, not hundredths. We have to know the difference between this hundredths or 100. This is in the place of decimal, right? Okay, but 100, it's left of decimal. But here we don't have any decimal, so 2 in ones, 3 in tens, 9 in hundreds, and 7,000, 10,000. When we want to round to the nearest hundred, okay, to the nearest hundred, we have to know this one and tens and hundred, okay? Okay. 100, not hundredths, it's on the decimal side, okay? But this on the whole number, okay? 2 is ones, 3 tenths, 9 is hundredths. 9 is hundreds, okay? 100 have or has 2 zeros, okay? So when we want to round to the nearest hundred, we have to cancel 2 numbers from the right and put 2 zeros on their place. And we have to look at the least or the last number, which I cancel it. If the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a miserable number, don't give anything. But if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's a generous number which give 1. So we cancel 2 and 3, and I look at 3. 3 is miserable number, don't give anything. So 9 still as it is, and I write it 9 and comma 7, 8, 3. So the correct answer is A. The GCF of 48 and 56 is what? So we have to factorize it, factorizing 48 and 56. Okay, let's factorize 48. Just a moment. 48 and 56. We have to factorize this number. 48 is 6 by 8, and 56 is 7 times 8. Okay? Okay. 6 is 2 times 3, and 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. We can put it 4 times 2 and factorize 4 for its prime number to 2 times 2. 7, it's a prime number. Yeah, we factorized this number to its prime factor. 6 times 8, and 6 is 2 times 3, and 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. We can do 8 2 times 4 first, and 4 2 times 2. We have prime number here for 56, 2, 2, 2, 7. Means 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 equal 56. And 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 is 48. So when we want to get GCF, greatest common factor, okay, we have to cancel 2 with 2 and take 1. 2 with 2 and take 1. 2 with 2 and take 1. You notice we cancel the similar number one by one and take from 2 similar number, 1 number. From 2 similar number, 1 number. From 2 similar number, 1 number. The rest here is 7, but we didn't have any 7 here. And these are 2 and 3, and we didn't have another 2 and 3 here. So this is the common factors between this number, and we have to multiplication all this number. 2 times 2 equal 4, and 4 times 2 equal 8. So the greatest common factor is 8. Okay? Okay. Eight. Let's move to the next slide. Complete the following. Not is common multiple of 4 and 5 and lies between 10 and 30. It's a mystery. He gave me a mystery. This is the number which is in the space is a common multiple between 5 and 4 or 4 and 5. So we have to times 5 with 4. 4 times 5 equal 20. And he said it lies between 10 and 30. So 20 lies between 10 and 30. Complete the following. What the number is a common multiple of 4 and 5. So I times 4 times 5, okay, equal 20. And lies between 10 and 30. What is the number which is common multiple of 4 and 5 and lies between 10 and 30? It's 20. The way to answer is to multiply 4 times 5 first and complete its lies between 10 and 30, okay? Okay. The next one, 800 times 3. when we have multiplication problem, zeros get out. We have 2 zeros, we have to get it out. We have here 3 times 8 equal 24. Equal 24. So the answer is 2,400. Number C, it's adding problem. It's very easy. Okay, we can take the horizontal way or the vertical way. The horizontal way, I can answer it when it's 9 plus 1 equal 10. I write 0 and take 1 over 8. 1 over 8 equal 9. 9 plus 3 equal 12. I write 2 and take 1 over 1. 1 over 1, 2. 2 plus 7 equal 9. Okay. 9 plus 4 equal 13. 3 and I have 1. Put it over 5. 1 plus 5 equal 6. And 6 plus 6 equal 12. So the answer is 123,920. Okay. The difference between 214 and 189 is difference mean subtracting. So I will subtracting the largest number minus the smallest number, or subtract 189 from 214, okay? Just like that. Minus. Okay. 4 minus 9, it's impossible, so I will take 1 from 1, it's become 0, and this become 14. 14 minus 9, I have to count from 9 to 14. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so it's 5. 0 minus 8, it's impossible, so I will take 1 from 2 to become 1, and 0 become 10. 10 minus 8 equal 2, so the answer is 25. Question number E, skip, count by 8. 8 space 24 space 48 space. He took the multiple of 8, so he will here times 8 by 1 to give 8, the product. After that, I multiply 8 by 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 8 equal 24. 4 times 8 equal 32. 5 times 8 equal 40. 6 times 8 equal 48. 7 times 8 equal 56. Okay. Okay. In the bar model, this is, we were called it on our previous year, grade 4, the bar model. We say 100 is a total number or the whole number, the total or the whole number, and x is a part of, and 35 is a part. Adding of x and 35 equal 100. So x is an ignorant number, which I didn't know about that. He wants here not to give the solution or the value of x, but he wants the equation which you can form for it, for it in the bar model. This bar model, the equation which you can form from it is we have to adding x plus 35 equal 100. But when we want the value of x, we have to subtract 100 from 35 to give us 65. Okay? Okay. Put smaller than or greater than or equal. Number one, 0 or 0.45 hundredth and 5 tenths. Okay? We can't compare between these decimal number before we have to equal the decimal. This decimal is after two number, so I have to put this decimal after two numbers. So I put 0. 0 here doesn't affect on the value of this. So we said on the previous year, 5 tenths is equal 1500 equal 500 thousandths and so on. When we put many zeros on the right of the number, the value doesn't change. Okay? Okay. So the answer is, this is 45 and this is 50. So 50 is greater than 45. Okay. B, 10,000 thousandths and 9 million. 9 million has 6 zeros. And 9,000 thousandths, I write 9,000. And these thousands mean I have to put another 3 zeros because thousand have 3 zeros. Thousand has 3 zeros, okay? So it's 9 million and it's 9 million, so it's equal. Okay. When we subtracting 82,063 minus 14,589 and get the value and make this addition problem and get its product, I will adding this 9 plus 6 equal 14, 4 and 1 over 6, 1 over 6, it's become 7, 7 plus 9 equal 16, 6 and 1 over 5 become 6, 6 plus 8 equal 14, 1 plus 5 equal 6, and 3 plus 3 equal 6. Subtracting this problem, okay. 3 minus 9, it's impossible. I take 1 from 6 to become 5, and this 13. 13 minus 9 equal. I have to count from 9 to 13. It's become 4. 5 minus 8, it's impossible. So I want to take from 0. It has nothing. So I take from 2 to become 1, and this become 9, and this become 15. 15 minus 8 equal 7. 9 minus 5 equal 4. 1 minus 4, it's impossible. I take from 8 to become 7, and 1 become 11. 11 minus 4 equal 7. Okay. 7 minus 1 equal 6. So its product 67 and 67,474. 6, we have to count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And compare from the left, 6, 6, 7, 6. So 7 is greater than 6. So this problem or the product of this problem is the greater. Okay? Okay. D, 187 times 4 or 700 plus 40 plus 8. We have to multiply 4 times 7 equal 28. 8 and I have 2. Okay. 4 times 8 equal 32. 32 and I have 2 to become 34. 4 and I have 3. 4 times 1 equal 4. 4 plus 3 equal 7. This 704, 40 and 8. So I put 8 on ones. 40 in tens, I put it as 4. 700 on 100, it's 7. So it's equal 748 equal 748. It's equal. Find the result. 5,470 plus 2,386. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 7 plus 8. I put 8 on my mind and 7 on my finger to become 15. I don't write all 15. 5 and 1 over 4 become 5. 5 plus 3 equal 8. The comma, don't forget the comma. 5 plus 2 equal 7. Multiply 27 times 4. 4 times 7 equal 28. 8 and I have 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 plus 2 equal 10. The last one, 735 divided by 3. Okay. 7 divided by 3. I have to start from the left of the number. 7 divided by 3. 7 doesn't divided by 3, but I have to small it to the nearest number which divided by 3. I will go back to become 6. 6 divided by 3, yes. 6 divided by 3 equal 2, okay? Okay. 2 times 3 equal 6, and I have to subtract 7 minus 6 equal 1. And I will put 3. It's a turn of 3, 2 down here to become 13. 13 doesn't divide it by 3, so I will get the nearest number which is divided by 3, but it have to become smaller than 13. It's 12. 12 divided by 13. So 12 divided by 3, okay, 13 doesn't divide it by 3. So I have to back down to find number smaller than 13, but divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 4 times 3 equal 12, and I have to subtract it. It's remaining 1. And put 5. It's turn of 5 to down here. 15. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Because 5 times 3 equal 15. And when I subtract, I have zeros. So it's right. I am happy for meeting you on first session of grade 5. I wish I see you soon, inshallah, on the next sessions to start our lessons about grade 5. I am Amrou Mustafa, and I am Mr. Amrou Mustafa, and I am pleased to meet you. This is my contact information. Good luck for everyone, and goodbye. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.